Let's learn how to update your Magic Leap 2 OS using the Magic Leap Hub. First, you'll want to make sure the Magic Leap Hub is running on your computer. Then, make sure your Magic Leap is turned on, and once it's on, you want to use this USB-C cable provided in the box and connect one end to the compute pack, like so, and then connect the other end to your computer. And then you'll want to follow any on-screen prompts on both your computer and the device to ensure everything is connected properly. The device should ideally be at full charge or at least above 20 to 30% battery before doing an OS update. Now you want to navigate to the device bridge portion on the hub to make sure that you see your device properly connected. And there you'll see a button that says Update. But for this video, we're going to update with a different method instead. So go back to your homepage, click on OS Installer, and there you'll see a drop-down list of all the different Magic Leap OS versions. You want to select the latest Magic Leap OS, and then click Download and Install to begin the process. We've sped up the installation process for this video, but it should only take a couple minutes to install. When the process is complete, simply follow the instructions on the headset to continue. You'll likely get a pop-up that says Controller Update Needed. Connect the controller to the compute pack via USB-C cable. So at this point, you want to unplug the USB-C from the computer and plug it into the controller. This will automatically start the update process for the controller, and it'll take a few minutes. As the update is happening, make sure you don't disconnect the controller until you get a pop-up that says Update is complete. Then follow any remaining prompts on the device to complete it. You can check that you're on the right OS version by making sure that this number matches this number in the drop-down list. However, you'll still see the download and install button active, but you'll know you're already on the right OS version if the numbers match.